Hi friends, welcome to Amakshi Excel tutorials. Let's learn and conquer the fear of Excel. Before we start the video, please press the bell icon and share this video with your friends. In this video, we'll be discussing about a new topic, that is conditional formatting. Now, what is conditional formatting? When you wish to apply some kind of formatting to your data according to certain conditions, then conditional formatting comes into play. Now, these are some of the items which are included in conditional formatting. The very first is highlight cells rules, then top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, and icon sets. In this video, we'll be specifically talking about highlight cells rules. Now, these are the things that are included in highlight cells rules: greater than, less than, between, equal to, text that contains a date occurring, and a duplicate cell, duplicate value. We'll be understanding each one of them with the help of examples. To understand these rules, we'll be taking the example or the data of 15 students along with their percentage. Now, the very first thing that we would be applying is greater than rule. Now, what we'll be doing, we'll be selecting the data wherein we want to apply that rule. Go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, then click on greater than. Now, as you can see above, we want here greater than 60. We want to highlight the cells which has the percentage greater than 60. It is showing 66.5 by default. We'll make it 60. Now, this is how you want to show your data. These are some of the formats in which you will reflect your data. Please press OK. And now here you can see that it has highlighted all the cells with 60% and above. Now let's come to the next, which is almost similar, that is less than. We'll select the data again. Click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, less than. We'll again go for 60% and below. Please type 60 here and click OK. Here you can see they have shown all the data below 60%. Now we'll be understanding, let's say we want to highlight the data which comes in between 60 to 80%. We'll select the data again, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rule, between. Now we'll change the values from 60 to 80. Okay, now they have highlighted the data in between 60 to 80. Let's go to equal to 70. Let's say we want to highlight the values which are equal to 70. We'll select the data again, go to conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, and click on equal to. We'll type 70 here and press OK. Now it has highlighted the value against F that contains the value of 70. Next comes text that contains. Now text that contains E. We want to highlight the text which has E in their column. So we'll select the data again. Click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, text that contains, and we'll type E here. Click OK. Now you can see it has highlighted E. The last comes the duplicate values. Now what if you want to highlight all the duplicate values in your data? You won't be selecting it manually. We can easily do it with the help of Excel. You'll be selecting the data. Click on conditional formatting, highlight cells rules, go to duplicate values. It will highlight all the duplicate values in your data. If you like the video, please click on like button and please subscribe for more videos.